Hey guys, welcome back to Dollars into Dreams. My name is Shar, and we're going to go ahead and stuff my second paycheck of December. Due to classes and capstone projects and things that I had to do for my program, I did not film paycheck one, and I did not film cash stuffing number one. So we're going to do 2 and 3. I am done with school, and so it is a very much needed mental break. Let's say that. So let's go ahead and count how much cash that we have. Okay, so we have $720. Okay, so this is my new high priority binder. I call it my blue jean binder because that's what the material reminds me of. Okay, so for annual renewals, and I have not updated any tracker. Let's do that later. Our normal 40. Okay, so for annual, we have 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and 205. I will need to take some out and go get a Netflix gift card. Car insurance premium for March, we're doing 60. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, and 405. That's a nice little amount. Car tires is not getting anything today. I just had to replace my car tires on my second car. So both cars now have new tires. So I need to start saving up for tires in the next couple years. Car things is getting 25. And that's all it has. I did have quite a bit in here, and it had to go towards my tires. Tax prep is only getting 5 today. That's all that it has. Hopefully there's not a glare. Like the sun is like coming in and out. Hold on. Okay, I think we're good. Tuition, I did have money in here. I took it out to help with the car tire situation. Plus, I am taking next semester off. And then you will see when I start budgeting in January 2026 that I am going to start putting money aside for my tuition in August. Medical will get its normal. Oh, did I not do medical? Yes, I did. Medical is getting 10. So medical has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, and 270. I'm really liking this design in these envelopes. Oh, so pretty. Dental is not getting anything, nor is copay. I don't think vision is. Is therapy getting anything? I don't think I did therapy this paycheck. No, we did not. And so that's it for my high priority. Okay. So what's our next one? Babe, we just jumping around because I don't even know. like the binders are still like what is in what binder is still somewhat new to me as well. Okay, so mani-pedi. I changed that from self-care to mani-pedi. Mani-pedi. That's hard to say. That's weird. Okay. 15 is what it's getting. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 35, and 140. I know I will, while I'm on break, will get a pedicure. My birthday is only getting 5. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, and 75. Wardrobe still has the $50 gift card, but it's also getting 20, so that means we have 70. And I don't think beauty is getting anything, or shoes. I have a sneaker fetish. I shouldn't say fetish. I want it to be a fetish, but so I just need to save up for them. Otherwise, honey, I will swipe that card to buy me some Nikes or something. I'm not a Jordan fan. Like I have one pair of Jordans, but that's, yeah, I'm a Nike, Adidas person. Healthy habits. Well, I'm getting sidetracked. Nope. I don't think any of these. Oh, toiletries is getting something. I thought. Maybe not. Yes, 10. Maybe I just wrote these out of order. I don't know. All right. Toiletries now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, and 125. Shop small is not getting anything right now. Nor is any of the other ones. Okay. I do know that I need to go into my long term. And I love this heart right there. That is so freaking cute. Okay, so emergency fund is getting 25. So emergency fund has 20, 40, 60, 65, and 70. My personal savings is not getting anything, but I have 110 in here. There's a parent at the school that gives all the office staff like $100 each. So, and then somebody else gave me 10. So I just put that in my personal savings because it was given to me. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with it yet. And is there anything else in here that's getting anything? Yes, month ahead is getting 5, I believe. Yes, so month ahead now has 15. Okay, and that is all we're doing in this binder. I'm going to jump into my black family and friends one because I just need to stuff one envelope, and I think it's in the back. Or maybe not. Nope, maybe it's not in the back. Where's it at? There it is. Okay, so gifts is getting 10. So now we have 20, 30, 40, and 45. And I believe that is all that we're doing there. And so now in my home binder, I like this one too, this chocolate binder with this like burnt orange. Oh. We are going all the way back. Lawn care is empty. I took money out of here as well to help with the tire situation. that was less that I had to put on the credit card and go back, you know, further in debt. So lawn care got 5. And then I believe property tax, if you remember, I had remaining amount after I paid my property tax, but I took that out again for the tire situation. So it's getting 5. And that's all it has. So then I believe this is my low priority. This binder is similar to the blue one. It is also one of my faves. Car tag is getting 10. I need to schedule a inspection. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, and 130. I got to see how long an inspection is good for, because if I can do it while I'm off, I'll go do that. I need to renew my driver's license, and I have a CDL, so it costs me a little bit more than it does just like a normal license. And I believe I'm doing 15. Okay, so we have 20, 30, 40, and a 45. And I think this is like every 6 years or something, 4 years. I don't remember. Okay, and then none of my overflow binders are getting anything. Yes, that's correct. I feel like it's not correct, but we'll soon find out. Then when we go to our holiday binder, we are going all the way back to Mother's Day. Mother's Day is getting 10. So we now have 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Then Christmas is getting 25. Okay, so we have 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 310, and 315. I feel like I'm missing something, but maybe I'm not. Okay, that is it for this binder. So then the rest should just be for my wallet. And I have switched back to this wallet. I might look into getting like a more narrow wallet. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, not as wide. That I can still use these envelopes with. And I think Missing Money has a more compact version. So we'll see. My spending is getting 50. And I did, all right, so we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. I don't foresee myself spending a lot because I'm off for 2 weeks. Eating out is getting its normal 40. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, and 40. Groceries is getting 175. Okay, so groceries is 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, and 175. Home is just getting 15, so that's a 10 and a 5. And then fuel, what are we doing? We're not doing the normal 160. We are doing 120. Let's see if I did that right. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 105, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 120. And then miscellaneous is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I think medication is getting, yes, medication is getting 15. Oh, my denominations and everything was right, y'all. So proud of myself. Okay, so medication has 20, 40, 60, 81, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and 156. It feels so good to be up on a Saturday morning. I'm cooking. I don't have to worry about homework or reading or studying. And I was able to film with natural sunlight. So that's nice. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys. I thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you are not subscribed, I would gladly appreciate it if you would be. And I will see you in our next video, which I believe will be my paycheck budget for number 3 of December. So until then, have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. Bye.